I've been a Llais and a former CHC member for about 4.5 years. It's about making sure that people understand what Llais is, what Llais can do, to act as the people's voice in health and social care. And I think that's not just listening to people, but it's understanding what the environment is that they're being faced with as well. And it's about how things in health, social care, and even in general communities have an impact. And it's using that information and that experience to bring together a voice for the communities. It's about working with people. Mental health issues is about neurodiversity issues at an early age and how the communities can respond to those issues. And the weight of those voices should be able to provide some evidence base for people's response to those issues that are being raised.
I became disabled at the age of 42 as a very active, dynamic person, and my capacity to be involved as a useful person of society was taken away by a disability. I became effectively chairbound. So when I moved back home to Wales, I wanted the opportunity to be useful again. I think of myself in this context, and Llais helps me do this, to be an active citizen. I want to try and be part of society and be useful. Part of my role and opportunity is to go and visit hospitals and look at where the facilities may be working very well or could need improvement. Going around hospital sites with my disability, I've encountered my own problems. But on our official visits, if I see a toilet roll dispenser, a water roll dispenser, a door that needs 2 hands to operate. So by having the lived experience of a disabled person going around a hospital, we can pick up the problems which other people won't see. So our experience can feed in to the site managers, facility managers, to make it better so that the next time someone comes in with a mobility or a disability impairment, what we said will make it better for them. And to have the chance to be a link between the community and the health delivery services is quite powerful and engages you in your society and in the health service, so you feel more part of the system, and that's empowering.
If you feel that you are confident enough to actually talk to people, they're interested in people, you're interested in how people engage with services and that sort of thing, by asking the questions, you're eventually helping the service develop, and you hope to think that what I've experienced can be that experience for somebody else who's coming into the service or using the service for the first time.
You make a difference on an individual basis, but you also make a difference within a team basis. If you're thinking about volunteering with Llais, it's an ideal opportunity to give something back to the community, but also to improve services which affect people's lives and the lives of generations to come.